How to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the most effective fix is simply wait and try again later, as Apple may temporarily block a number if it has been used too many times to create an Apple ID. So simply wait for 24 to 48 hours and try again with the same number. If that does not help, then check your phone number format and make sure that the number that you entered is correctly entered with the country code. And also, if not, then simply go ahead and correct the number. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then sometimes Apple will not allow the same number to verify with multiple accounts. So you can try using another phone number or a family member's number, and after verification, you can change the number later in your Apple ID settings. See if that helps, and if not, then simply make sure that the SIM card can receive SMS, as Apple sends a verification code via SMS. So you can check for your network signal, or you can check if SMS is working or not, and also make sure that the SIM card is active. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services. If yes, then simply open Settings and tap on General, and then on VPN and Device Management, and then go ahead and disable the VPN, as VPN services can cause Apple servers to reject phone verification. Also, if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can fix temporary verification bugs on your iPhone. If not, then you can go ahead and try creating an Apple ID on the web. So open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for appleid.apple.com and go ahead and create a new Apple ID in here. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then simply contact Apple support, as if the number is still blocked, Apple support can check it for you, and you may need to verify your identity before they allow the number again. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix the phone number cannot be used at this mobile this time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.